New at 6, the city prosecutor says he can find an impartial jury for the trial of Juan Baron, the man accused of a Hawaii Lower Ridge murder. That's despite claims that a now fired deputy tainted the jury pool by showing crime scene photos in public presentations. H&N Investigates broke the story this week, and our Lynn Kawano has the new developments.
The deputy was fired Tuesday. Steve Alm is now speaking publicly about the claims of misconduct by Baron's attorney. Are you going to fight to keep these cases in this office?
Absolutely.
Honolulu prosecuting attorney Steve Alm fired the deputy prosecutor in charge of the Juan Baron murder case. Baron is accused of killing 73-year-old Gary Ruby last year at Hawaii Lower Ridge. The deputy reportedly showed crime scene photos to several groups of people during presentations to educate retirees on kupuna crimes. Court transcripts from a hearing last month show a witness, a deputy attorney general, was at one of the presentations in September of 2022. He said about 75 to 90 people, all retired teachers, were there when pictures were shown from the Baron case, including one of the bathtub where Ruby's body was discovered. He had been encased in concrete and covered with coffee grounds. The deputy AG told the court after the presentation he questioned the deputy prosecutor. He asked something to the effect, "Was that okay, or was that the right thing to do?" The deputy AG said his concern, the possibility that the evidence could get out and affect the ability to find enough jurors who haven't been exposed to details. Baron's attorney wants the case dismissed.
Let's say 500 people were exposed to this. What's the exponential problem is that we don't know who they spoke to. What impact did this have on them? Did they go home and discuss it, the facts of the case, which haven't been adjudicated yet? Did they describe in vivid detail these pictures?
Alm believes replacing the deputy prosecutor in charge of the case, plus a large jury pool and proper questioning of jurors, will be enough to keep Baron's case in his office.
Asking people, have you heard of this case? If so, where? They may realize they're just hearing bits and pieces of it, so they don't form solid opinions. They're going to be open-minded about it. We've been able to, pick jurors in all sorts of high publicity cases.
Another hearing is set for October 24th. More of Steve Alm's employees will be called to testify at that hearing before a judge decides if the case will remain with his office. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.